Welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today I've got a super exciting unboxing to share with you all. I cannot believe that this is mine. I'm really excited. If you're new here, great to see you. I usually put out videos twice a week now, revealing, comparing, analysing and just plain waxing lyrical about luxury and designer items, especially handbags. So if you like this video, consider subscribing. And for all of you people who watched my online shopping video, which I'll link above, you have already seen this bag. Yeah, it's a bag. You've already seen it. And I did not think that I was going to be bringing this home from the boutique. I should just shut up and unbox it for you. So the lovely Bessie from Fendi in Brisbane helped me, enticed me, tempted me. She basically just put it in my hand. That's what she did. And after that, well, I was done. Here it is, the beautiful Fendi box. I have not seen it for a whole week. So inside you've got the beautiful tissue. I started my channel with a Fendi unboxing, and honestly, I'll just show you and then we'll talk about it. So inside, here we are. Any guesses? All right. Oh God, I can't believe this. All right. Last Sunday, I went to Fendi for a look. And I was looking at these Chanel 19 bags. And they just weren't doing it for me. I don't know if it was the colour or how they sat. But for the investment and for... I'm babbling again. Sorry. I'll just get on with it. I bought a Baguette, and I consulted the lovely Ada Solly, and I'll link her channel below, and I said, hey Ada, I've got this problem. And she said, whichever one you're drawn to is what you should do. And I was drawn to this. Can you believe it? Look at it. This is the Sex and the City Purple Rain Baguette. Look at the glitter. All of the different shaped sequins and all of the beading. These are handcrafted. There was like 3. I cannot believe that I bought this bag home. I was looking at a lilac baguette. There's none of them in the Asia Pacific. I love cool colours. They suit with my wardrobe and my skin tones a lot better than the warmer yellowy colours. And so the pinks didn't really work for me, well, the pinks that they had in store. There was a beautiful lilac peekaboo, very similar in the Cellaria, very similar to the peekaboo that I already have. And I was really tempted by that. But I already have a peekaboo. And let me just get the straps out. So here's the carry, what's it called? Here's the little handheld piece. Look at the detail. Beautiful workmanship. You've got Fendi. These are a nice swivel, and so they move around with you. The peekaboos don't swivel as well, the hardware. So this is really good, and a beautiful leather strap. And that goes, I'm actually going to take the stuffing out because I like it better when it's all saggy. So inside, it's all stuffed. Got some information here. Let's have a look inside. Inside this beautiful gold satin, kind of silky satin lining, and there's a plaque on the back there that says Fendi Baguette. One little zipper pocket. at the back, and the flap is lined in the leather as well. I prefer this bag when it doesn't have stuffing in it, because I like it to be shaped like a baguette. So I'm going to put some things in it so you can see. But there is another strap, I'll put that on. So in this other little dust bag is the shoulder strap. And again, this one's in the beautiful leather with the gorgeous hardware that says Fendi. And there is a separate D-ring to attach that strap there. So this is how it looks best, I think, like handheld or in the crook of your arm, which I'll show you in some mud shots. This bag means quite a lot to me, and you might just say I'm trying to justify investing in a sequined bag.
I need that bag! Oh, this isn't a bag, it's a baguette.
The reason that it does is I mentioned in my last video that I've had to cancel my 40th birthday party celebrations. You know, first world problem, but COVID, say no more. Our borders are closed, people can't travel, and I don't want anybody putting themselves at risk just to come to a birthday party, although it would be fabulous. I was originally going to New York City for the 4th time to go and have that, you know, magical birthday experience and go shopping and just live the life. And I was actually going to go out on a limb and go in the fall, because usually I go in spring, summer. And I've always loved, well, my real love of luxury and fashion came from watching Sex in the City. And so when I saw this bag, I just went, you are equivalent to my airfare and accommodation in New York City. And you are the essence of how I've, you know, come to love luxury. And you're also super fun. And if I can't have a party, at least I can look like I'm going to one. This little slip that came inside of the bag, just, you know, for those of you who like details, I've got some spare sequins. And so Fendi will repair the bag if I do lose any of the bits and pieces. This is the product code. It says Baguette, Rick, Pilates, Sex in the City, Napa, Shiny, Viola, and Purple Rain plus OS. I don't know what that means. Anyway, here's the information if you want to see it. And in here there are 2 little books. It says it's embroidered entirely by hand by craftsmen, so there might be slight imperfections. And the Napa leather. Okay, so any veins in the leather are typical of this kind of skin. So great. All right. So this. Look at it. Look how beautiful and shiny it is. I'm going to put some things inside so you can see, you know, what fits. And then I'll show you what it looks like on. Okay, so just back to the story before I fill this baby up. I was looking at 19 bags, but what I found was that I didn't think they felt as functional for all seasons as what the Baguette did. I know that I haven't bought the most practical Baguette, but I wear my things and I enjoy them, so I am not going to be holding back from wearing this. In fact, the mod shots I'm going to show you today is me wearing jeans and a shirt with this bag, because that's how I think it's going to shine. Obviously, it'll look great at night, but I see myself wearing this through the day more so. So I left the 19 and I followed my heart, as we say, and I took this one home. So it's got a little Fendi stamp here on the magnetic clutch. I think the biggest challenge with this bag is going to be opening and closing it, because of you have to kind of hold on to the sequins. So what I would put inside to go out for a day is my Chanel reissue card holder. That's going to fit in there quite easily. I'm going to put in my keys. I am also going to put in, now let's hold on a second. I'm also going to put in my phone, and I'll put that in the slip pocket in the back just to give it a little home so it's not bashing around on top of everything else. Now this is an iPhone 10 or an iPhone XS Max. So yeah, you can just pop that in that slip pocket. It fits beautifully. I've got my little Chanel small pouch or O pouch, and inside of that I'm going to put in my Chanel 178 New Prodigious. I really love this shade. Beautiful. So that's going to go in. I have got my YSL Balm. That's watermelon, I think. And my hand sanitizer, because I don't want that spilling onto the beautiful lining of this bag. I also have a little mirror that I bought last time I was in New York, so you know that's got to go in. Some tissues just in case, and my Apple AirPod Pro. And you can see all of that fits beautifully in this bag. And I'm not going to zip it up because otherwise I won't be able to get to my phone. And then we'll just let the magnetic closure do its thing. Let it find itself. Ta-da! So that's my bag fully loaded. I'm going to start doing some mod shots. What do you think of my new baby? I mean, don't you think? Oh, I am in love. I have no words. What do you think? Did you think this is the bag that I was going to get? I am super happy that this bag is a part of my collection. I just think it's divine. I'm doing a really bad job of this video because I love it. 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 Look at that. Let me know what you think. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and the bell to notify you of when I post new videos. I'm usually putting out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so please come back and I'll see you next time. Bye.